Hi, Paul Godden here. I have a major announcement for you. After professionally making videos for many years, it continually amazes me that despite overwhelming evidence about the power of video, go check it out, so few businesses are using it. So I've decided to do something to help as many business owners as possible to embrace and start using video. And that something is a free program I've named Business Video Strategy. In the Business Video Strategy program, I'll be releasing an ongoing series of easy to follow training videos that will show you everything you need to know about making and using video. Have a look behind me. Does all that equipment look scary or daunting to you? Well, the good news is you don't need all that stuff to make a video. In fact, I'll be showing you how to make great video using nothing more than a smartphone, an inexpensive microphone, and a basic tripod. And over time, I'll explain all the other equipment you see here so that you can decide if any of it would assist you to get your message out there for your business. I'll also be providing a range of templates, checklists and resources. Again, they'll all be at no cost to you. The videos will be posted on my Business Video for Profit YouTube channel. But if you want to ensure that you don't miss out on any of the free videos, I've created a web page where you can opt in and get a notification when new videos are posted. It's where you'll be able to access all the free resources as well, things like royalty-free music tracks, script templates, and more things that I just can't upload here on a YouTube channel, obviously. And yes, this program is free. That is, no cost to you, and there's not going to be any big sales pitch at the end or promoting affiliate products, so on. Nada, zip. So why am I doing it? Two reasons. The first is to help as many businesses as I can to reach with a non-techie, non-fluff series of easy to follow and implement guides to making and using video. The second reason is that for people who don't have the skills, time or resources themselves to do all the editing, optimizing and distribution of their videos, my team and I have a service called Elite Video Processing where we do all the back-end work for you. We see this as a win-win. Every business owner and entrepreneur has the opportunity to get access to the free quality training on any aspects of making and using videos. And for those who want or need it, they can get all the post-production work done for them. So either bookmark and keep visiting our Business Video for Profit YouTube channel, or head over to the link you see here, and in the description box, just leave your name and email to get notified of when new emails are posted, plus access to all the free resources that I'll be adding in there. I look forward to sharing my years of experience and real life experience and knowledge and seeing you embrace and use video and become the go-to person in your industry.